Verily Allah is with those who are patient and all those yang tertindas. Allah also says that He will not change the fate of a nation until its people do something to change what is within themselves. In the case of the Palestinians, they are not just Muslims, they are also Christians and also a very small minority of Jews who are all being slaughtered by the Israelis, by the IDF. The IDF are not entirely Jews. Majority are Jews, but there are also Christian Zionists. There are also Muslims in the IDF, Arab Muslims in the IDF. So therefore, this has got nothing to do with religion. It is about nations and murderers of the people, of civilians. So we all know the history. We all know what started it. Israel wants to attribute that to the 7th October. The whole world is aware of what happened in 7th October, but the whole world also accepts that it did not start from 7th October. The massacres, the genocide and the ethnic cleansing begin well before then. So many, why zero in only on the 7th October? But whatever it is still, it is condemned. 7th October is still condemned because at the end of the day, many innocent people, innocent Israeli died. But that doesn't give a blank check for Israel to just commit mass murder, genocide in Palestine. Yang mati, yang so many are babies, are children. They did not breach and go into Israel and kill anyone. The women did not go in to do anything. Kalau yang ni pun Hamas. So berapa orang Hamas yang telah dibunuh? So now Hamas, obviously they are from Palestine kan? So they are in Palestine lah. So apa pula dia pakai people as human shield? Where are they supposed to stay? They're supposed to hide lah. Just like Israel also take cover kan from attacks. Takkan Israel stand in the open field and say, okay, fire at me because I'm not going to use my Israeli population as human shield. You also hide in buildings. Now, in the case of IDF has whacked almost all of Gaza punya buildings, all of Palestine punya buildings. What buildings do they have still? So therefore, there cannot be a special building only for Hamas or special building only for the population. They live among them dalam situ. But Israel, pengecut, they're not going to go in on ground for the fear that they will be slaughtered. So what they decide to do, they decide to do carpet bombing. They bomb and they kill, and at the end of the day, the world sees. The world see with a very painful, heart, and tears shedded to see babies, children being amputated without general anesthetic. Can you imagine? Kita nak cabut gigi, injection masuk dalam gusi pun dah jerit dah, sakit dah. Ini budak-budak need to patah tangan ataupun need to amputate or whatever. They go through that without any anesthetic. No painkillers. And on top of that, there's no water, no food, no electricity. This is what they go through and the world sees what is happening. Dah sekarang ni, the world dah bangun. And it's not just Muslims anymore. It is everyone. It transcends beyond religion, beyond culture, beyond race. Even the Jews, the peace-loving Jews are protesting and being harassed and being bullied by the US cops. But in other countries like New Zealand, tengok video ni, New Zealand, Australia, everywhere, many other countries, Europe, everywhere across US, people are not going to take that. They're not going to allow a particular race to commit genocide on another particular race to wipe out. Rafah, tak ada sebab dah nak attack. Not attack because by attacking Rafah, wiping out Rafah, that will be total ethnic cleansing of the Palestinians. You wipe out Palestine totally. This is what Israel wants to do, and US cannot allow this to be done because if it allows it to be done, and US is seen as a proxy of Israel, the misgiving against US will be never ending. Forever, people will target US, and the hatred is something that US is not prepared to shoulder. Tapi, you see lah what's happening now. Nampak? So, this is a lesson to the Zionists. This is not about being anti-Semitic. It is being anti-genocide. anti-Zionism. This is what it's about. Jadi, pelik kan? Israel and US also weird. How come Americans, how come even Jews, how come Christians, not just Muslims, are against us? Arms up against us over what we're doing in Gaza. We call it defense, to defend the nation. How? How do you defend the nation when what you do kills children and women? Defend the nation from them? So at the end of the day, people are not fools. Netanyahu kata, dia punya military is the most caring. No military in the world takes this much effort to save civilian lives. Are you for real or what? You nak masuk Rafah now, and who is going to die most? The children and the women kan? Dah lah, they have been suffering. You want to damage them further. You want to kill them further. So now, the world bangun. Arrest warrant pun nak keluar dah untuk Netanyahu and the senior IDF officials. And they want to retaliate. They want to threaten the chief of the international court and the family. They don't agree to that. They are upset and they are warning people and they're clamping down on any dissent against Israel. These are signs of the mark of the desperate people. Very, very desperate sekarang ni. And bila satu dunia bangun, satu dunia is against, they start wondering. They're wondering why, what happened. And Israel has never been more unpopular. Tapi kat Malaysia, just nak bagi tahu saya lah, ada juga puak-puak, kaum-kaum, semua kaum ada. India ada, Cina ada sikit, Melayu pun ada sikit. Who is still pro-Israel? Bagi mereka, Palestine salah. Hamas yang salah. To them. Why? Because they are Islam. Mereka ni Islam. Banyak orang, ada ramai orang Islam yang Islamophobia. Jadi kalau siapa-siapa nation, kalau Islam je, kalau they want to see the bad light. They want to see those Muslim nation in the bad light. They want to hate Iran. They want to hate Lebanon. They want to hate Palestine. Orang Muslim pun ada macam tu juga. But what to do kan? Tapi that is in the minority lah. The majority, people who are not even Muslims, have utmost empathy for what's happening in Palestine. And people are standing up. And now because of that, this is what I call the time of reckoning.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.